In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use constraints in Figma. Whether you're new to Figma or looking to refine your skills, understanding constraints is essential for creating fluid and responsive designs. Let's dive into it and explore how constraints help manage layout adaptability, especially when dealing with various screen sizes. First, we need to head over to Figma, the collaborative interface design tool that's essential for many designers globally. If you're unfamiliar with Figma, it's a powerful platform that provides real-time collaboration similar to Google Docs. It allows multiple users to collaborate and make changes simultaneously, enhancing productivity and creativity. Once you're on the Figma homepage, the next step is to log in. You'll find the login button at the top right corner of the page. Simply click on it and enter your credentials. If you don't have an account, you'll need to sign up, which is a straightforward process that guides you through creating your profile and connecting with your team. After logging in, you'll be directed to the Figma home. This is your central hub where you can view all your projects and recent files, and it's where you start or continue your design work. From this page, locate the design button to access your design space. Click on it and you'll be transferred to the canvas where the magic happens. Once inside the design page, let's focus on creating a frame. Frames are foundational in Figma as they act like containers for other objects. Locate the frame tool, usually found on the left panel, and click on it. By clicking and dragging your mouse on the canvas, you create a new frame. Think of frames as the structure upon which your entire design rests. They help to organize your project and are essential when applying constraints. Now it's time to delve into constraints. Constraints dictate how your elements behave in relation to frames. With a frame selected, look over to the right-hand panel. Here's where you'll find the constraint settings. Click on constraints and you'll see options like left, center, right and scale, among others. These options allow you to decide how an object resizes or retains its position when the frame changes. For instance, setting a constraint to left ensures the element stays a fixed distance from the left edge of the frame, no matter how the frame's size changes. This is particularly useful for creating adaptable designs that look great on any screen size. By using constraints effectively, you streamline your design process, ensuring your layouts are flexible and visually appealing. Remember, practicing and experimenting with these settings enhances your understanding and helps you achieve the desired layout adaptability. Keep experimenting and soon you'll master the intricacies of Figma constraints.